soon as you're born, they make you feel small by giving you no time instead of it all, till the pain is so big you feel nothing at all. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. They hurt you at home and they hit you at school. They hate if you're clever and despise a fool, until you're so crazy you can't follow their rules. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. When they tortured and scared you for 20-odd years, and then they expect you to pick a career, when you can't really function, you're so full of fear. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. You joked with religion and sex and TV, and you think you're so clever and classless and free, but you're still peasants as far as I can see. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. At the top, they're telling you still, but first you must learn how to smile and to kill, if you wanna be like all the folks on